Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Reni's Gourmet video. And today we're going to be making the best chocolate chip cookies that are soft, easy to make, and fast. You can make these in under 20 minutes. Now, for the ingredients to make this recipe, you will need 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of white sugar. Pure granulated is what is best in my opinion. You will also need a quarter of a cup of packed brown sugar. If you don't know what packed brown sugar is, it's just brown sugar pressed down with your hand. Press this down when you put the sugar in the cup and keep adding more and pressing down until you reach the required amount. In this case, for this recipe, you will need a quarter of a cup of it. You will also need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You will also need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, finally 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. So first, you need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for your metric guys. Melt the butter. 40 seconds is an ideal time. In a medium bowl, beat in the butter, sugar, and brown sugar on low speed until it is smooth and creamy, like this. You can use a handheld or you can use a stand mixer for this. Add the egg and vanilla and beat for 16 seconds. Any longer than this, and the cookies will be stiffer. Add the flour, baking powder, and salt, and beat until all the flour is incorporated in the batter crumbles. Start to mix and incorporate the dough with your hands and roll it into a ball. If the dough is too wet and sticks to the bowl and your hands, add more flour. If the dough is too dry and crumbles in your hands or doesn't form into a ball, add more water. When the dough is at the perfect consistency, add the chocolate chips and incorporate them into the dough. Make sure to mix the chocolate chips evenly into the dough. Then divide the dough up into 12 equal portions and flatten them a bit. Then place them in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. To check if the cookies are ready to be taken out of the oven, place a toothpick in the middle of the cookie and check if any dough sticks out. If there's any dough that sticks out, if there's any dough that sticks on the toothpick, it's not ready. If there is no dough sticking out to the toothpick, it's ready to be taken out of the oven. Then place the cookies on a wire rack to cool. And then cool the cookies for a few minutes. Then enjoy your delicious, soft, and easy to make cookies. And make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll get notifications on my latest videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See you soon.